Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to send USDT from MetaMask to Binance. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to ensure you have USDT in your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you have a USDT tokens in your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have any, you will need to acquire them through a cryptocurrency exchange or transfer them from another wallet. Now access your Binance account. Okay? So log into your Binance account or create a new account if you don't have one. Make sure you have a Binance wallet address ready to receive the USDT. Now open MetaMask and initiate the transfer. So open your MetaMask wallet extension or app and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Locate your USDT token and click on it to access the token details. Now click on Send or Transfer. Within the USDT tokens details, look for an option to send or transfer the tokens. Click on that option to initiate the transfer. Now enter Binance wallet address. In the recipient address field, enter the Binance wallet address to which you want to send the USDT. Make sure to double check the address for accuracy, as cryptocurrency transactions cannot be reversed if sent to the wrong address. Okay, so you need to make sure that you've entered the correct Binance wallet address. Okay, so now enter the amount. So specify the amount of USDT you want to send from MetaMask to Binance. Take note of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits imposed by MetaMask or Binance. Confirm the transaction details. So review the transaction details including the recipient address and the amount of USDT being sent. Ensure all information is correct before proceeding. Now set the gas fee. So set the appropriate gas fee for the transaction. The gas fee is a small amount of Ether required to process the transaction on the Ethereum network. You can adjust the gas fee to prioritize the speed of the transaction or to minimize transaction costs. Confirm the transaction. Once you have reviewed all of the details and settings, click on the Confirm or Send button to initiate the transfer. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction, and you may need to authenticate it using your MetaMask wallet security measures such as a password or biometric authentication. Now just go ahead and wait for the confirmation. After confirming the transaction, you will need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Ethereum network. This process may take a few minutes, and you can monitor the progress using the transaction hash provided by MetaMask. For the last one, we have verified the transaction on Binance. So once the transaction is confirmed, you can verify the arrival of your USDT in your Binance wallet by checking your transaction history or wallet balance on Binance platform. So it is important to note that transaction fees and processing times may vary based on network congestions and gas fees. Always double check the recipient address and take necessary security precautions when performing any cryptocurrency transactions. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.